If your Telegram channel isn't displaying properly, or you're seeing content missing, hidden, or filtered when it should be visible, this quick fix can help. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Telegram channel display error step by step, and the best part is it only takes a few minutes. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech fixes like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the official Telegram web platform. Once you're there, sign into your Telegram account using your usual login method. Make sure you're logging into the correct account, especially if you use Telegram on multiple devices. After you sign in, look to the top corner of the screen and click the menu icon, which is the three-line button. From there, select Settings. This is where you'll find the options that affect how Telegram displays content on your account. Next, open the Privacy and Security tab. This section controls a number of account-level features, including content filtering and visibility settings. Scroll down until you reach the sensitive content area. Here, you should see an option called Disable Filtering, or, in some versions, a setting that says Show Sensitive Content. Turn that option on or check the box so Telegram stops filtering content that should appear in your channel. Once you've done that, the settings should be saved to your account. But we're not finished yet. To make sure the change fully takes effect, completely close the Telegram desktop app on your PC. Don't just minimize it, fully exit the app so it stops running in the background, then open Telegram again. This restart helps the app sync your updated settings and refresh the channel display. After it reloads, check your channel again. In many cases, the missing or hidden content will now appear correctly. If it still doesn't show immediately, give it a moment to sync or log out and back in once more if needed. And that's it. That's how you can fix the Telegram channel display error by adjusting the sensitive content setting and restarting the app. If this video solved the problem for you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more Telegram tips and fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.